Rick a big, Patrick a Clark's under style.
Hello? Patrick? Yeah, man. Brother, a long time, yeah, man. Yeah, man, a long time, man, you're from the high still, you know. Yeah, man. We're glad the eye guy a shout, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, for real, for real. Yeah, man, yeah. So, how far we reach with the packing of the barrel? Eh? So, what you put in there for me? Me fi wait? No. Hey, Patrick, how where do you me I see one nice wallaby Clarks, you know, brother? It look like a tangerine color. Yeah, man. What I say look good. Yeah, man. But I would mind the eye coulda, you know? But it's not like me I tell you something buy it already things still, you know? Yeah, man, but I just say, look good, you know, you look good, Patrick, man. I remember saying, I hear you see him size too, you know, Patrick. Yeah, man. Because we are twin, you remember me, I hear you see him size. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I just say, we have like a little upcoming event, you know? Yeah, man. Big party down at Sugarman Beach and thing. You know, the I would have want to go down there and look dapper still. Yeah, man, yeah. Cause you don't know my thing already, Patrick. You don't know my thing already. It have a shot. Yeah, man. My thing have a hope. Yeah, large and thing like that, you know. Yeah, man. So, you know, if you could have put a step, you know, put a little pep in the step with the barrel. You man. You man, put a little pep in the step. You know? Yes, alright then, Patrick, alright. Yeah, man. The idea, go on, hold it, you know? Yeah, man, yeah. We link up, brother, man. We link up, yeah, man. So, yeah, the be there up there. No man too say nothing to Castle that one. No, I just should even know what go on, man, you know? Yeah, man. Alright then, alright. Got the minutes I go up, you know? Alright. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, you know? It will do a great deal for me, okay?